Welcome to Livingston County, New York's Records Management Now You Know mini webinar series. In this video, I'll be talking about one of my favorite information management subjects, metadata. Okay, I get it. What in the heck is metadata and why in the world should I care? Why should you care? It seems like people are talking about metadata all the time now, but what does it matter to us? So, metadata literally is data about data. Basically, it's the information that tells us about a piece of information or data or object that we're holding electronically. This kind of information is vital when we're working in information management because it helps us to understand what this digital object really is. So, how do we open it? Who created it? And many other information pieces that are vital. So, where does it come from then? Is it magic? No, it's definitely not magic. It's created a couple different ways, and usually it's created by ourselves, although we don't usually know it. For example, when you save something from a Microsoft Office document, the program is collecting a bunch of information on the back end that you can't see that helps it later to understand how to open it and what are the various facets that will make it possible for you to view it the same way again in the future. Another relevant way that metadata is captured is when you store something in an information system or in a database. Each time you add information or data to that database or information system, it's capturing information about the object from the object itself. In some cases, when we add information or a document or some kind of digital object to an information system, we ourselves purposefully add more metadata, like the name of the client or the case number. That's a very direct way of adding metadata, and it's vitally important that we do it whenever we have the opportunity. But maybe you're still not sure why I keep talking about how vitally important metadata really is. Let's talk about it a little bit more. So, metadata is like the foundation of a house. When we have really good metadata, then we can build big, useful structures on top of it in our information environment. In information science, we always strive for what we call interoperability. That means that differing systems can play well together, and good metadata is the key to making that possible. I think analogies are the best way to understand more complex concepts. So let's try this one on for size. Think of metadata like they are chess pieces, and every information system is a chessboard with a game in progress. Even though each chess game is different from the others, they still have the same pieces at play. There's always a queen, a king, rooks, pawns, bishops, and knights. So, even though each chess game is different and it's being played by different players, we can still compare them, we can analyze them, and we can document their qualities because the pieces are the same and the rules of the game are the same too. And this, folks, is interoperability. Because the metadata is consistent or can be made consistent, we can gain insights, share data, share content, context, and value. Every game has the same set of pieces. And what's really cool about this analogy is it shows that you don't have to, as the end user, define the rules or come up with the names of the pieces. You just have to play the game. And that means doing your job and doing it to the best of your ability each day. This has been another episode of Records Management Now You Know, Livingston County, New York's mini webinar series on records management know-how. Thank you for joining us, and please subscribe to the Livingston County official YouTube page. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you back here next time for more records management content.